Hey everyone, this is Angie at StampingWithAmore. Welcome to my channel. Today is Quick and Easy Day and we are making a Easter egg treat holder. So this is the little Easter egg that we're making. And this is really easy to do. This is got just a little box at the top. You can fill with jelly beans, with M&Ms, with chocolate eggs, anything like that. Would be perfect for this. This is a great one for a classroom and they're really easy to do too. So this is what I'm sharing today. I love this little box. It actually gave me the idea when I was cutting out for my card the other day. I was cutting out the framed florets and it was this one right here. And I only needed the frame and then what was left was the little oval on the inside. And then I thought, I can make an Easter egg out of that. So this is what came out of that, but it's really super sweet and cute. All right, I hope you enjoyed this one. We are going to go ahead and get started with it. All right, so I cut out all the pieces to make this really extra easy. So this is the framed florets, and this is the die, like I said, that I'm using for that. And then I'm using the stylish shapes and I'm using this little banner right here for that. And that's for the sentiment. And then this is the charming sentiments I'm using, and I just used the Just For You, but you can use Happy Easter. I was going to use the Happy Easter Bunny stamp set and use the Happy Easter out of that, but then I thought I'm just going to put something more generic, and so I'm using Just For You for that. All right, and again, I'm using my favorite paper, the Country Gingham, which is this one, and I use the Sweet Sorbet. Now I'm going to do one in mint macaron. So, and I like the bigger print plaid on that one. So this is what I'm using here. So you need to cut out 2 of those ovals and then 2 of the Designer Series paper. But there is smaller gingham, but I like for this egg to be the bigger one, but you can do whatever you like. So you're going to need some pieces to mat this, and this is 1 1/8 by 1 1/8 and 1 1/8 by 1 7/8. By the way, if you are new to my channel, please subscribe, hit the bell for notifications each time I upload a new video. Also, I have an inspiration sheet on my blog every week that you can download and you can print. So it has all the measurements you need to make all my projects here. All right, I don't need that square. I don't know why I cut that. And then we are using this little banner for the sentiment. I'm going to go ahead and stamp that first and get that out of the way. So I'm just using Memento black ink for that. And we're going to use the same one, the Just For You. But like I said, you can put the Happy Easter on there. So we're going to use the Just For You. I am going to cut this shorter. Look. That thing just wants to get in this video. So I'm just going to cut that off just like that. All right, that's all our stamping, y'all. It's going to go really fast. So we need to glue these together first. So I am trying this art glitter glue. I like my Barely Art glue better so far, but if you use this, let me know. This is a little bit sticky too, like the Tombow. I just thought I'd try it because someone recommended it to me, but I don't know. We're gonna see. It gets on my fingers just like the Tombow, and I like the Barely Art. It doesn't stick to your paper, doesn't stick all to that one, and I'm really happy how it holds. So I may just continue to get the Barely Art. I just wanted to try it because it was recommended, so just FYI. All right, so we have those 2 covered, and it makes this really nice and sturdy. And then these are our matting pieces. I'm going to put that aside, and we're going to go ahead and we are going to score this piece. This piece is 5 1/2 by 5. We're going to start scoring on the 5 1/2 inch side, and you're going to score it at 1/2, 1 3/4, 3, and 4 1/4. Then you're going to turn it And you are going to score this at 1/2, 1 3/4, and 3 3/4. All right, looks like a lot of squares. So we are going to cut this. Okay, so this side that has the 1/2 inch, and they're all equal, we are going to, this is going to be the top of the box, and then this side is going to be our glue tab. So I'm just going to cut it so you can see what I'm talking about. So this has the longer piece right here. So that is going to be our glue tab. Now we just have that 1/2 inch on the top. That's going to be our top of the box. So I am going to just start, this is the easiest way to show you. I'm going to just start by cutting these all down here. And I'm going to cut off this very last one. This one I'm going to cut in half. And then this one I'm going to cut in half. You know what I'm doing here, right? If you've been around long, you know I am just cutting in little flaps for this box, inside flaps. And they don't have to be perfect. I like to try to make them as even as possible. And then we're going to cut this in because that's going to fold inside our box. And now the bottom, we're going to cut up each one of these. I'm going to just take a little bit off of each one of these. This way I don't have to worry about any overhang, because I hate that overhang. You probably know, if you've been doing boxes for a while, what I'm talking about. And this end right here. And it's just a tiny bit. All right, so that's what it's going to look like. I know it's white and it's hard to see up against this white. I'm debating on getting a black mat. I've been looking at them, one of these, a black mat that might be a little bit better, help with seeing, but we'll see. I haven't decided yet. So we're going to do all our score marks, sharpen them up. All right, so they're all done. I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to use my wet glue again here, and we're going to put this box together. So that is our glue tab. You want to line this up nice and even here. I put my opening for the box on the side. It just makes it easier for them to open instead of, I'll show you here what I mean in a minute. Then we're going to just tuck these in, and they don't really matter because you're not going to see the front of this box because it's going to be inside our Easter egg. So what I meant about overhang is when it overhangs the sides here and you have to trim it. That's why I trim a little bit off of there. And then this is going to close up, and that is going to be our little box. So when I put it into the egg, I'm going to put this opening side to the side so it makes it easier for them to open it. If it's here, it's a little bit harder to grab it when there's an egg on both sides. All right, so first thing we're going to do is we're going to attach these. So I always want to remember where that is. Like I said, I want that on the side. And you want to make sure that it will still stand up. That way. So I just usually put it down and you can see so it still stands up. And then we're going to do this side too. I do like the tip on this bottle, but the stickiness I am not a fan of. All right, so I always look down on it to make sure it's even and it's standing up. All right, so now what we're going to do is mat all these pieces. This piece is going to go on the top. And then our other two will be going on the sides. I thought at the last minute to add this on here, and I'm glad I did, because then it's just not plain on the side. It looks just too plain. But they go together so easy. This would be also a good one for a nursing home. I know I hear a lot of you say that you do nursing homes, and I'm so happy about that. It just really melts my heart, because I have a really special place in my heart for those people in nursing homes. My mom was there, and I know what it's like, and yeah. Alright, so I am using for this the open weave ribbon, and this is the soft succulent, but it matches this really good. And I love the open weave ribbon. So we are going to use this one. All right. And I left it pretty good size because I think it's so pretty on here. Love this ribbon. And then all we have to do is attach our sentiment. Whatever that you're going to use. I really like this one. And it's still very Easter. And we're just going to put that under here. Like that. And you're all done. Look how cute they are. I think they came out adorable. I hope that you like this one. It's super easy. I'm going to make the rest of the colors too. And I'll probably just post them on my blog because they're just so cute. All right, everybody, I hope you all have a blessed day. If you need any supplies, you know you can shop on my blog at StampingWithAmore.com. This is my March host code. And where is March going, y'all? It's almost over. I want to thank you all for watching and have a blessed day. Catch you in the next one. Bye.